Okay, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the oldest encryption machine, which is called router machine. So, router machine is commonly used in World War II for sending the encrypted message to the military persons. So, from one military journal to colonels, if you want to send the message securely, then those messages were sent through this router machine. They are going to encrypt the original message by using this router machine, and the encrypted encoded message is transmitted. So once again, the receiver will take that particular message and he is going to decode that particular message. So in this type of technique, both the router machines has to be set to the same key. Then only the encryption and decryption can be performed easily. If we don't have that same router machine key, then it is not possible to retrieve the code. So in this router machine, we are going to have a very complex and varying substitution cipher is used. So we are going to substitute the characters. Substitution cipher is used here. So based upon the cylinders, there will be the number of cylinders will be there. Based upon these cylinders, the substitution complexity will be increases. So each cylinder will be substitute one time. If we are having three cylinders, then we are going to have the substitutions, three times substitution will be there. First time the message will be substituted, character will be substituted, and the output will be given for the second cylinder. Second cylinder once again perform the substitution operation, and it will be used to the third cylinder. Like that, multiple times substitutions will be there. If we have a three cylinders router machine, then we are going to have 26 to the power of 3, that is 17,576 possible alphabets can be substituted. So your message can be substituted in 17,000 ways. That is the advantage of our router machine. So we'll see how the router machine will looks like. You can see this is the router machine which is used in the World War II. So these are the cylinders which we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cylinders are there, you can observe. So each cylinder, if you type one character here, the character will be sent to the machine and that character will be substituted, and multiple times this substitution will be done, and at the output where it is going to display other characters. So like that your message will be encoded by using this router machine. So now we will see how the inner functionality will be done in the router machine. So this is the inner structure of our router machine. So there are three routers will be there, which we call as fast router, medium router, and slow router. If it is a three router machine, so initial settings will be there. So at the initial level, we are going to have the router machines will be like this, which are going to substitute. So substitution will be there. So faster router, first substitution will be there. So which we are going to have A, B, C. So these alphabets, all the A to Z alphabets are given as numbers, and these numbers are in the substitution format. So A will be given as 24, B is given as 26, 25, C is given as 26, and D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 23. So these numbers will be sent to the substitution, where these are attached to the next cylinder, which is the medium router cylinder. In this medium router cylinder, the 26 value is substituted by 7, and 25 value is substituted by 22, and 24 is substituted by once again 24, which is going to change in this router machine. Once again, we are going to change these locations, and locations will be shuffled here. So each time we are going to shuffle these numbers. So every rotation, these numbers will be shuffled. One bit shuffle, two bits shuffle, like that we are going to shuffle the number. So here, for every instruction, these numbers will be shuffled. In the fastest router means For every letter character it will be shuffled, and medium rotor means for every 26 characters of input it will be shuffled, and slower rotor means for every 226 characters two times it is going to shuffle. So these numbers will be shuffled and we are going to locate these things, and shuffled numbers once again 22 will be converted into 13, 24 will be converted into 18, and next will be converted into 20. So this 27 will be converted into 20, and these values will be substituted, and output will be you are going to get B, E and I. So A, B, C is converted into B, A is converted into B, and B is converted into E, and your C is converted into I. So like this we are going to have the substitution. So once the substitution is performed, if you observe, the router machine is going to be shifted. So rotate itself. So when it is rotated, you can observe here the character is started from 21. So next time if you observe the character is 13, and then we are going to have 21 and 3. So this bottom 13 will becomes up rotate. Okay. So this bottom 13 will comes to here upside, and 13, 21, 3, 15 like that we are going to have. Same way, this machine, medium router, is also going to be shuffled, and it is going to shuffle after 26 times. Okay. Once the first fastest router shuffle 26 times, then it will be shuffled one time. And medium router once shuffle for rotate for 26 times, then your slow router will be shuffled for one time. So the rotations will be like this. Fastest rotation will be for every transaction, this fastest router will be rotate. So medium router for every 26 faster rotations, medium router will be one time it is going to rotate, and slow rotation for every medium router 26 times rotation it will be rotate one. Just like it is having the rotation like our watch. So in the watch we are going to have seconds, minutes and hours. So fastest rotation cycle will be considered as seconds, and this medium will be considered as minutes, and slower will be considered as your hours. Okay. So within the map watch we are going to have seconds, minutes and days. The same way we are going to have fastest rotor, medium rotor and slow rotor. So that is the discussion about your router machine. I hope you understand this. So in the next class we will discuss the another topic.